Hey, I'm Scott from Cognition AI, and today I'm really excited to introduce you to Devin, the first AI software.
The question is, will Devin AI replace software engineers? Will it? This is the full breakdown of the video. So there is a company named Cognition which has uploaded a video that it will replace software engineers. I think it may not. I think maybe, or it will. So keep watching the video. I will give you the full breakdown of this. Will it or will not? So keep watching unless you want to get replaced by AI. So there was a video uploaded on Cognition Labs on March 12, 2024 saying that they are the first AI software engineer. But before we break down in this, we need to know a full background about the CEO and their people which work at the back end. So this is though a startup, these guys are not joke. So in order to give you an example of the CEO of Cognition Labs, please see this video.
If the pattern shown continues, what is the letter in the 2010th position? Scott.
A.
A is the correct answer. What is the value of 255? Scott.
5,000.
5,000 is the correct answer. And the next question is, the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 can be arranged to... Scott.
60.
60 is the correct answer.
When this comes to maths and computer science, they are a genius in this, and they have raised over $21 million, and they have also investors like Stripes and DoorDash, the CEO of DoorDash. So these are no joke. The question is that they have given the title as these are the end of the software engineers, but everything needs a developer. So a question needs a question. So in the first scene of the video, the CEO has prompted Devin to benchmark Llama on two different providers. But for you to have a better knowledge on the coding language, this is just a simple thing, or this is just a normal or a basic prompt. So here Scott has to, ultimately question him again and again, or to make him a better way, or to ask him again, or in the way they have to prompt him step by step, or like a child. Unless you give him the right information again and again or enhance it, it will not do your work. So it is just a better version of our software engineers. So Devin AI is not replacing software engineers, but it is enhancing, or it is just a better version, or it is just helping software engineers doing their work in just simple way. So maybe this video has motivated you to educate yourself and encourage us to go on with the AI advancements. And this is all about the Devin AI, and I have told you about the CEO, better advancements, and this company background. I think this is all about the Devin AI, and it is just a better advancement of our software engineers. So I will leave it on you. Maybe it will replace, or maybe it will not. So please comment down if you know the answer. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.